In this video we're going to take a look at how the horn relay board works. We are often asked, how does the HRB use one wire to control two relays? Let's start with a picture showing relay 1 with 24 volts connected to one side of the coil and the other side connected to pin D. In our RBT hand control, pin D is normally open circuit, but if we connect it to ground, then current will flow through relay 1, making it operate. But if we now connect pin D to 24 volts instead, we can make relay 2 operate like this. Putting it all together, the circuit looks like this. Connecting pin D to ground makes relay 1 operate. Connecting it to 24 volts makes relay 2 operate. Now we'll add in the third and fourth relays, and you can start to see how the complete system works. Now the full circuit diagram in the manual should start to make sense. There are actually a number of other components in the circuit, and there are also several links that can be cut to allow different modes of operation. Now let's look at the contact arrangements. If we feed 0 volts and 24 volts into the board as shown, we can see that the centre contact of relay 1 gets switched between 0 and 24 when relay 1 is operated. Note the thin red line showing the 24 volt operating voltage for the relay. Adding in the contacts for the other relays, we end up with something like this. But many people want to use 12 volt accessories. This means that we need to separate the 24 volt relay operating supply from the 12 volt accessory feed. We do this by cutting a link K on the underside of the board and then feeding 12 volts in as shown. There are a number of links on the HRB. It is possible to isolate any or all of the relay contacts from the power feed by cutting the appropriate links. If you do this, remember that the relays themselves still need to be fed from somewhere. Pins A and F on the 6-way input can be used to supply 0 volts and 24 volts as needed. If your system only operates at 12 volts, there are versions of the horn relay board that use 12 volt relays, and these are designed for use with our RBT12 handset.